Hey folks, I walked in the front of the crew member apartment's distribution, but for the connection to the ventilation, I need to complete the ventilation back parts before. The hypersleep chamber section have now a wall on this side. We can't have such a big open area over around 5 level. It's too dangerous. I'll probably have to close the other side somehow later too. Behind that is a ventilation port. Later he shared fresh air around that rooms. Further in this direction is a canteen. I don't know exactly how, but I want to change everything between. I start with that area is too big and feels empty. And during that, friends, I stepped into Unity this time. The plan is still there to complete the spaceship and make it playable within this year. Unfortunately, I haven't found the full screen option. I started here in the capsules section, not special, only the rooms and a few items. First for testing, I'm so motivated to finish my project, but it needs so much time. Time is also a reason that I use Unity. I'm feeling fairly confident with C Sharp and think I can beat all the hurdles. But for now, thanks for watching, for the support, and see you next time.